So yes, you sure can make wax seals out of glue sticks and crayons. And to save you a lot of explaining and keep it short, this is 10 grams of crayons and 20 grams of glue sticks. And these are in a larger pot because, again, I bought some bulk. So I'm going to melt this down and show you what it looks like. And the reason for the glue sticks is that keeps the crayon soft and pliable and as an adhesive to act as the wax seal. Now what I did was I bought wax, paraffin wax that was white, and clear glue sticks by weight in a large bulk order, and then mica powder in a bulk order. That way I could make this like cheaper. It's not super cheap, but you know, I figured any excess I might put in the Etsy shop if you guys are like interested, because they end up looking kind of like this. And of course I got that bigger mold to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and melt these down and see what it looks like, right? I'm going to put some extra green in there just to be sure. So now with all of our beads of hot glue and green, we can put this lid on here, and we'll turn that up to just on a very low temp and let that slowly melt. And I'll see you whenever it gets melted, eh? Here we are a little bit later. Let's look at that. Look at that. It's going to be nice wax seals very soon. Let's give it a few more minutes. Yo, look at that wax seal. Look at that wax seal wax. Let's go, son. Wonder if it's ready to put that on something, or should we put it into little cubes first? Should we put it in the molds first? Let's put it in the molds first and see what it looks like once it hardens. You ready? Cool, let's go. Okay, so the mold is ready and the wax is ready, which in real life that is so vivid, and it's like more of an emerald green. Let's see if I can get, oh yeah, there you go. Look at that color. Oh, that's amazing. So let's pour it up. This is not going to work. I'm going to have to do it without the camera. Sorry. I'm so bad at pouring wax. But dudes, look, we have a wax melted bead, and I'm very, very bad, I learned, at pouring wax. So the next step is going to be to put those in this thing and melt it and see how it does as a seal, eh? Let's get us a candle lit. Alright, be safe out there, don't burn yourself. And then we're going to put this little candle melter on top of it and let it be getting hot with some of these green wax melts that we just made. We'll put that, boom, right there. So while that's melting, I'm going to write a note on this little dip pen, eh? I got some racer green ink. How about that? Let's try it. I forgot that I had existing like stuff in the very bottom, so it's going to be a mixture of colors, but it looks so nice. It's going to be cool. Hold up, I got it. It's almost there, like another minute. Alright, so we're going to dump this here. Oh, that color's so nice. And then from there, we can just take this wax seal and stick that there. We got to let it harden.